Welcome back to Car Flair. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the road in something big, bold, and built for comfort, Toyota just gave you a reason to get excited. Introducing the all-new 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Bus, a full-sized RV that brings together reliability, technology, and space like never before. At first glance, this massive camper bus looks nothing like your average motorhome. It's built on Toyota's full-size coaster or Gran Via platform, stretched and elevated into a complete mobile home. The sleek body lines, massive panoramic windows, bold LED lighting, and aerodynamic edges give it a futuristic vibe. It doesn't just drive, it makes a statement. Under the hood, Toyota has gone with a 3.5-liter hybrid engine, giving you an ideal balance of power and fuel efficiency. With around 310 horsepower and an electric assist system, this camper bus glides smoothly over highways and climbs hills effortlessly. Whether you're heading to a mountain campsite or cruising down the coast, this machine delivers quiet, powerful performance with a surprising fuel range for a vehicle of its size. Step inside, and it's a completely different world. This is not a van, it's a rolling home. The spacious interior features a full-size sofa lounge, a smart dining booth, a fold-out queen bed, and an L-shaped kitchen with an induction cooktop, fridge, sink, and microwave. The high ceiling makes the space feel open and breathable, and the massive side windows bring in natural light and gorgeous views wherever you park. Tech lovers will appreciate the integrated smart system that controls lighting, temperature, entertainment, and power from a single touchscreen or mobile app. There's a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, a surround sound system, and USB-C ports in every corner. The camper even has solar panels on the roof that charge the house batteries, keeping you powered up off-grid. The bathroom is surprisingly roomy, featuring a separate toilet and shower setup, a vanity mirror, and water-saving fixtures. There's even an outdoor shower attachment for beach trips and muddy hikes. Starting at around $125,000, the 2026 Toyota Camper Bus is ideal for families, digital nomads, or anyone who wants to travel without sacrificing space or comfort. It's designed to feel like home, no matter how far from home you are. Would you take this rolling sanctuary on your next road trip? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Car Flair, and hit the bell for more incredible motorhome reviews every week.